Hey traders, ever wonder if you can catch the wave of a big news event while trading on FundedNext? Today, we are breaking down the news trading rules and whether you can profit from that breaking news. We'll explore which FundedNext challenge allow news trading and when you might want to hold off instead. Let's dive in. Alright, listen closely. FundedNext actually lets you trade during news events in most challenges. Here is the quick breakdown. Evaluation Challenge, Stellar Challenge, and Stellar Lite Challenge. In these, you can trade freely during news events, both in the challenge phase and FundedNext accounts. Express Challenge. This one is a bit stricter. You can't open or close trades 5 minutes before and after a major news event. That applies to both buying and selling and includes setting any automatic orders. Remember, this news trading rule applies to all kinds of orders, not just manual buying and selling. So there you have it. Now you know when you can ride the news move on FundedNext and when to maybe take a breather. Don't forget to like the video and let us know if you trade news in the comments. Until next time, happy trading.